Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Quicken for personal use. First, you'll want to set up your accounts. This involves linking your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios directly to Quicken. This initial step ensures all your financial data is centralized. Once linked, Quicken automatically categorizes transactions, giving you a clear overview of your income and expenses. This foundation is crucial for effective money management. After setting up your accounts, the next step is to create a budget. Quicken allows you to set spending limits for various categories like groceries, entertainment, and utilities. It then tracks your actual spending against these limits, providing alerts if you're nearing or exceeding your budget. This real-time feedback is invaluable for staying on track. Regularly reviewing your budget helps identify areas where you can save money and improve your financial health. Quicken also offers robust tools for managing your investments. You can track the performance of your stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, seeing how they contribute to your overall net worth. The reporting features are powerful, allowing you to generate detailed summaries of your income, expenses, and cash flow. These reports provide insights that help you make informed decisions about your financial future, from saving for retirement to planning a major purchase. Beyond the core features, Quicken provides advanced functionalities like bill reminders, ensuring you never miss a payment. You can also export your financial data, which is incredibly useful for tax preparation or sharing with a financial advisor. Remember to regularly back up your Quicken file to protect your data. For more details on these features and other helpful tips, check the description below for links to additional resources and other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.